Hello everybody, and I'm Sarthak, and this is the quick demo of my project CredVault, an enterprise grade platform used for issuing and verifying digital credentials and badges. The idea behind CredVault is very simple. We want the organization to securely share and digitalize the credentials using blockchain network. So what are the particular roles that we particularly provide in the CredVault? First is the admin, second one is issuers, and the third one is recipient. So admin basically verifies the organizations whether they are authentic or not. Then it basically manages the system wide settings as well. Issuers basically create template and issue credentials. So issuers are the ones that are working with the organizations to issue the credentials. Then there are recipients who receive and manage their credentials. So receivers can be anyone, so you can be one of the recipients of the credentials. Now let's talk about how it works. So currently we are in the setup page. So when you first initialize the project, you will be in the setup page. Let us go to the any other page. So suppose if you are in some other page, so it won't allow you and it will take you the recipient page, because I have just initialized this project. It is using the cache and everything. Now let us type my name over here for creating the first admin account, and it will allow me to create a single admin account only till now. I haven't configured it so that it allows me to create multiple for the security purposes. So I'll enter my email, and over here I'll confirm my password, and I'll create an admin account over here. Now since you can see admin account created successfully, right? I'll click on refresh. Now it will take some time to come, but you will be getting a verify your email mail, right? Now let's click on verify email verified. Now click on sign in, right? Now I can sign in through that. I'm entering my email, my password, and I have clicked on sign in. Now if you could see, all of the things comes in front of me, right? Now let me create an incognito page so that I could show you, or maybe let's do it by logging it out, right? Now I have clicked on logout. Now there are two processes through which you can create an organization. One is the OAuth by Google and GitHub, or maybe a manual way through which you can enter all the details and attach a verification proof. Of course you have to attach the verification proof in the OAuth as well. So let's click on OAuth part, because in the manual verification way you have to verify your email as well as getting approved by the admin. So let's click on web exploiter, and now it will ask you to complete organization registration. So I'll enter a particular organization name. So let me enter my college name itself, right? And I'll enter my college website name. So my college name as well as the website, the logo, everything is part of the trademark that the college have done. I own none of it, and that is for educational purpose only. And let's add my college logo. So this is the verification proof I am adding. It's not a verification proof of course, but you can add any of the part over here. Let's click on complete registration, and it will take some time to upload. And once it is uploaded, you will be getting to a page where it will show verification pending and other details about it. So now you will be getting a mail about it, right? So whoever is the admin will be getting a mail or the notification on the panel, right? So let's click on logout, and I'll click on admin login, and I'll enter the admin email address as well as the password. Now once I've signed in onto the admin dashboard, if you could see over here, I have got a notification over here, and also there is the graph that there is one organization and no credential till now. Of course, there will be a mail also coming in front of us, new organization registration, what is the email and the website they are using, and what is the status about that. Now let's approve this organization. Of course we can reject it as well. So in organization tab, you can basically see all the things about the particular organization and edit it as well, since you are the admin. Now at the same time you can edit the details. Of course, in the verification request you can approve a particular organization. So I've already got the notification. Let's mark on read, and let us, in case if you are rejecting a particular organization, you might have to add some decision notes to that. For now, let's click on approve, and let's click on approve. I'll show other pages as well of the organization. So here you can see the verification request organizations. You can manage all the organizations. So approved, pending, all the organizations will come over here. Let's go to the analytics, where everything about your particular panel will be shown. So one of the things are how many credentials have been issued till now, how many organizations are there on your particular platform, and the verified credential, how many are there, how much average verification time it is taking, everything. I have given average verification time as a default as 2.5 hours, but that is kind of very easy to do, and it's very fast as well. So I have to change that. And then there is a notification page where all the notification will be coming up. So if you click on view all notification, or you will be getting to this page. Then there is a setting page on which you can customize each and everything, including changing your password. Now let's go to logout, and let us go to the organization page through which we can issue credential to the recipient. Right? Let us log into our particular email through which we have signed up. So one of the things that I want to show you is, once you are approved, you will be also getting a mail that you have been approved, and in case if you get rejected, then also you will be getting a mail like that why you have been rejected, and if the organization is approved or rejected. So basically that particular part. So you will be getting a sign in page as well, sign in button as well. So let's go to the organization login part. So let me click on OAuth, and let us sign in over here, and let us create a template. So basically a template is a thing on which you can put and bulk issue the credentials. So let me show you by giving an example. So I'll show a basic template that we could particularly use. So this is one of the image that we are going to use it for demo right now. So you can see name is not filled up and other details are not filled up in this particular image. Let me change it and let me show you how you can do it. So let us say I want to give a particular recipient a certificate of participation. Let's suppose, since our college have an event called Tiara, let us write Tiara over here, and suppose the category is education. Of course the category is education. Let us add this to this, the certificate image. So it will take some time to upload since it's a 1.5 MB file, and once it's done, you will be the certificate preview will be shown in front of you. Also you will be getting a notification that your organization has been approved. Let's mark it as red, and let me create a basic name field over here. I'll click on name. So this is a text field, of course, and there are multiple type of field as well. So this is the field that we have created up. Now you can customize your font by adding font, changing the color. So I have added it over here, and let's change a particular font. Maybe make it bold or something, right? Let me yep, it became bold. Now without you can basically add an email field over here, right? But in case if you don't want to add email field on your canvas, you can add it through here, which will be not be getting displayed to the user. Now you have to add issue date as well, because we want to fetch the data when the particular credential has been issued. Or you can add it over here as well in the certificate itself if you want to display it to the user. So you can select date and type issue date, and that will be one of the things that will be getting displayed to the user, right? Let's change the color, maybe this color, right? Now you can see, and let's, yep, now you can see, you can customize each and everything. Now maybe let's use Lato font or Montserrat. Yeah. Now I have customized this, right? Now date will be displayed over here, and since everything has been added other than QR code, let's add a QR code as well. Everybody loves QR code on their certificate, so I have added the QR code over here. Now you can see I have created a template. Now let's save this up. I'll click on save and the template will be saved. So it will take some time, and yes, the template has been saved. Now you'll be displayed on the templates page that yeah, you have created a particular template. Now let's issue a credential to a particular user using this template. Now let us select this template. Now fill the field details. So you remember that we have created some fields. So one of the field was the name, so I'll add name over here. The second one is the email because we want to send it to some person. So let me enter my email, which I haven't registered on this platform yet. Now there's issue date when it is getting issued, that will be displayed. Click on register on blockchain if you want to register it on blockchain. So since I have created my own platform, own protocol through which all of the blockchain operations will be done, so that's one of the things, and that uses IPFS in order to utilize. That is another project that I have done around 2 to 3 months ago. So I'll click on issue credentials for now, and it will take some time, and it will give me a go button, or basically it will take some time to upload it to IPFS. So since you can see it is uploading it to IPFS, file uploaded successfully, what is the encrypted size. So basically while we are uploading it to IPFS, since it's a decentralized platform, we are first encrypting it and then we are uploading it to IPFS. So that's our basic criteria, and for verification purpose as well and security purpose. So this is one of the things. Now let us suppose if you want to bulk issue to someone. So let's click on bulk issue, right? Click on the template, and it will take some time to load all the details about that, and once it is loaded you will be given a CSV format guide. So the name will be one of the required field and the email ID. So let's create a download template. So if you could see over here, name and email have the sample value data in that. Let's close this, and I'll show one of the templates that I already have right now. So this is already filled up. So this is the email, and this is the email email ID, and let's close this up and let us upload this one. So this is the filled up one. So you can see a basic preview of that particular thing. Now let's suppose if you want to issue it with blockchain. So I'll click on issue credential, and now it will take some time to upload it to IPFS encrypted, create the certificate using the template, and all of the process at the back end that you don't have to worry about. And once it's done, you will be getting displayed with the success message from the platform. So since this is a two particular people that we are issuing the certificate to, there can be hundreds of them, 200, 300. It will take some time, and it will issue all of them at once. So we have got a message that bulk issuance completed, successfully issued to Credential. Now let's click on OK. Now let's go to our email. So this is the email that we have got. So I have issued two certificates. One is the single one and one in the bulk. So let's click on the view credential. So I'll click on this, and I'll be presented with the credential page in which I could see my credentials. So as you can see, the date has been printed over here, the QR code has been added over here, as well as the name has been added to the placeholder on which I wanted it. Now if I click on transaction ID, I'll be going to the transaction page from the blocks code, and once I'm there, you can see my email ID, then other details like the FID and the CID from what protocol which I have worked on. Other than that, if you go to the issuer dashboard, let's log it out and let's go to the recipient, right? So now I am signing it for the first time as a recipient, or maybe I have. So Now I am on the recipient dashboard, and here you can see all the details about your credentials, whatever have been given to you. So as you can see, we have 2 blockchain verified, about to expire 0, and total credentials. So if you add a expiry date for your credential, that can also happen. So I have added options for that as well. So let's click on verify, and once I click on verify, I'll be getting to the verification page of that particular credential as well, through which I can share it to anybody. So I'm on the dashboard itself, and I can click on verify me on blockchain. Once I click on verify me on blockchain, credential verification successful, and the same notification will be going to the issuer as well. Now let's go to other one. So I could potentially download the certificate, and if I click on download certificate, you can see the quality is not degraded at all, and the QR code as well, right? Now let's suppose if I want to go to the blockchain verified. You have seen all credentials, so all credential, you can see all the credentials that you have been issued, including blockchain verified and about to expire, and it will take some time to load the credentials since it's contacting the database. Now it's loaded. About to expire, you will find nothing. Now in the edit profile page, you can customize your profile. Let's suppose if I want to add a description, let me add just a techie, and let me add a LinkedIn URL, https linkedin.com /Vedashi, and https github.com and yeah, let's add a website. And let's click on save changes. So now I have made the changes saved. Now if I go to a public profile page, this is also one of the things that I could share to everybody, so they can see your public profile, your image, whatever that you have achieved till now. Also you have an option to make the public profile private, through which you will not be getting any kind of in case of privacy issue, you can basically do that. So you can see all of the credentials. The same will be visible publicly to everybody whom you are gonna share this URL. Now let's go to the notification. Every time you will be getting a credential issued, you will be notified about the same on your email as well as over here in the dashboard. In the settings, you can turn on the email notification or turn down the email notification, and the security across the website. The same thing you can see for the organization and other things. So I think that's all for this particular demonstration part, and yeah, let me show you by publicly verifying. So public URL is this. You can share it to anybody as well. So of course that is one of the things, so you can share it to anybody. And let's suppose if I want to share it on WhatsApp itself. Now let me open the WhatsApp. Now if I want to share it to one of my friends, I can click on that, forward, right? That's how you do it. Yeah, so I guess that's all guys, and hope you found this particular project interesting. So thanks for remaining with me, and yeah, that's all.